This is an extremely popular Netherlands fly pattern, and today I'm going to show you how to tie it. We'll start off by securing some thread to our hook shank and snapping the excess free. Continue wrapping backwards until you reach the bend of your hook and grab a brown cape. Select a single feather and strip a few fibers free, measuring it to be about half the length of your hook shank. Transfer your measurement to the back of the fly and secure it tightly in place. Continue securing it up the hook shank and snip the excess free. We'll then secure our tag ends tightly in place, wrapping back to the bend of our hook. Here, we'll grab some saddle hackle. Here I'm using brown. Select a single fiber, stripping some of the feathers away. We'll use this as a tie-in point to secure it tightly to our hook shank. Snip the excess free, wrapping backwards towards the bend of our hook. We'll then select some dubbing. Here I'm using a synthetic dry fly dubbing with some addition of some UV fibers. Create a dubbing noodle and begin to wrap this forward in close touching spirals, creating a slight transition as we work towards the head of the fly. Continuing to tighten or adding dubbing as needed. With this complete, we'll brushing it out to give it a nice buggy look. We'll then begin palmering our saddle hackle forward in open spirals, maintaining even spacing between each wrap. And as a reminder, this is part of a series showcasing some of the most popular flies in various countries. Last time there was some confusion, as I haven't been to many of these countries, and there's no such thing as a national fly pattern online. I don't necessarily know all the most popular flies across the world. So if you want to see yours featured, comment the pattern, maker, and why it's one of the most popular fly patterns in your area. Once we reach our thread, we'll use it to secure the saddle hackle tightly in place before snipping the excess free. We'll then grab a brown colored Sharpie, color in our thread, and whip finishing to secure everything in place and create a small head to our fly. Snip your thread free, and this is the brown palmer. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, if you want to help support my channel, you can visit my website to pick up some fly boxes, or if you don't tie, some flies to stock up your fly box for next year. Thank you all so much for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.